everyone. As you all know, there are a lot of kitchen appliances available in the market, which makes our cooking easier and faster. One such an appliance is mixer grinder, which is used for making purees, grinding masalas, making juices. Like this way, mixer grinder is used for a lot of purposes. The major and important function of a mixer grinder is to rotate its sharp blade. As you can see, this mixer grinder's jar have two sharp blades. It will rotate like this way. This rotation of the sharp blades mixes and grinds the ingredients in the jar. The electric motor in a mixer grinder makes its blades to rotate. A universal motor which can be connected to both AC and DC supply is used in a mixer grinder, and it uses an electromagnet as its stator to create a magnetic field. Every electric motor have mainly two essential parts, one stationary and one that rotates. Parts of universal motor. Armature coil. The coil is placed between two poles of a magnetic field such that the coil rotates to the direction of the magnetic field. A strong field magnet. Armature coil is placed between poles of strong field magnet which provides strong magnetic field. Commutators. The ends of the coil are connected to these commutators. It rotates along with the coil. Carbon brushes. Two carbon brushes act as contact between commutator and terminals of battery. It prevents from twisting of wires. Brush holders, which hold the carbon brushes in position. The electric motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. When current enters the coil starts to rotate due to the magnetic force acting on it. As the coil rotates, the sharp blades of mixer grinder starts to rotate, which mixes and grinds the ingredients. Hi everyone, today I am going to show you guys how we can draw Fleming's left hand rule using the alphabet letter D. First of all, we want to draw the letter D. After that, we want to draw the fingers. For that, first of all, we can draw the thumb finger. For drawing the thumb finger, we want to draw a line like this way from here, and we want to bend it from here. After bending from here, then we are going to draw the nails of the thumb finger. For that, we want to draw like this way here. Complete thumb finger by drawing from the nails from here like this way, a curved line, a little bit curved line like this way. Then we can draw our next finger. We want to draw a finger like structure like this way, and we want to give two folds from here, which makes it to look like a real finger. After completing the second finger, we can move to the third finger. For drawing third finger, you want to draw from the second finger, you want to draw a line like this, and from there you want to draw another like this, which bend when it reaches here, like this way, a little bit down. From there we can draw, we can extend it to here, like this way, we can give a fold here. And from there we can just fold like this way and another fold, and we can give a thing like this way. After drawing the third finger, we can draw the fourth finger. We want to draw like this way, a finger like structure downward like this way. Then we can draw the nails of that third finger. After drawing the fourth finger's nail, we can draw the fifth finger like this way from here. After drawing the fifth finger, we can draw the nails of the fifth finger from here, like this way. We can draw it. After that, we can give two lines here, like this way, one here and other here. Then we can draw the nail of the third finger. Now our Fleming's left hand rule is completed. Then we can rub the other parts of D, these parts of D. After erasing the outlines of D and all, this is how the diagram would look like.
Chamera Power Station is a ponded scheme to harness the hydropower potential of River Ravi. It is located in Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. The project comprises of a 121 meter high, 295 meter long concrete arc gravity dam with 9.5 diameter, 6.414 km long head race tunnel. The underground powerhouse with installed capacity of 540 MW in houses 3 units of 180 MW capacity, each designed to operate under the net rated head of 185 meter and designed to generate 1664.56 million units in a 90% dependable year with 95% machine availability. All the 3 generating units of the power station were commissioned in the month of April 1994. The beneficiary states of this power station are Uttarakhand, UP, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Rajasthan. With the construction of the project, the area has also been benefited by development of infrastructure, education, medical facilities and employment avenues.